So today I have the key fob to a 2025 BMW M5, and I'm going to show you how to swap out the battery in this thing should it go bad. So first off, grab your key fob like I have here, turn it on the side opposite the BMW logo. You're going to have a little button right next to where it connects to your key ring. So you're going to push that in, and this portion right here is going to kind of pop off. It's like a sliding motion. So push in, and then it will fall off. So like this. So you're going to have that piece pop off. You can put that to the side for a second. You can either take out this manual key that's hidden in here, but I don't need to pull this out. You see there's a little section between my two fingers right here. You're going to put your finger on that and pull it out like that, and you have your battery out. So you can just pull it from either side, and it's going to reveal a Panasonic CR2032 battery. I will put a link in the description for the easiest location to get that battery. So assume I purchased a new battery. You're just going to do the reverse of what I just did. So put your new battery on. Try not to touch the side opposite the writing on the battery, because that will just limit the life of your battery, and you'll have to watch this video a lot sooner than you normally would. It's kind of hard with the way that this design is. Like, I probably just touched it myself, but try not to touch it on your own. So just slide it back into that slot. You might hear a little audible click, and then just do the reverse of what you did to get here. So pop the that battery back on, kind of like as a sliding motion, and you are good to go. There is no need to code this key to your car or anything like that. You can ask the dealer to do this. Your results may vary. Some may do it as a freebie to just keep you as a customer, where I've also heard horror stories where they're going to charge you an hour of labor just to do what I did in this video. So your results may vary. If you want to skip all that, just grab a battery off Amazon from the link in my description, and you're good to go on your own. Thanks for watching.